Dear Badge, you may be wondering why you're reading this letter, but there is something important that I have to tell you. I know that this may also be hard to comprehend, but I need you to do simple things for me. So, ito na yung mga yun. Turn off the lights, air conditioner, and other electrical appliances when you're not using them. Use the stairs naman pag di ganun kataas yung pupuntahan mo. Malapit lang ba pupuntahan mo? Why not try to walk na lang?
Tara, DJ, maglakad na lang tayo papunta kay Liz.
Don't leave the water running. Commuting is more fun in the Philippines. And these are just some of the things that you can do, Badge, and so many more. And that's all you have to do. I know you can help me out on this. I'm also counting on you to encourage other people to do this. If we fail to do these simple things, there's a possibility that we will experience a total blackout.
Damn. God, what kind of cruel world is this? Nini.
Shower.
Lack of food and water. At sobrang magkakagulo lahat. Act now. Conserve energy. Start the change in you. Love always. The future you.